Hi everybody, this is MB with stampinwithmb.com, and today I'm going to do my very first paper pumpkin unboxing. And what we're going to unbox is the August gift bag and tag set. I'm also going to show you how you can use the elements in this kit using the alternate card bases and envelopes. And lastly, I'm going to show you some paper pumpkin alternatives. So let's start stamping. I have never done a paper pumpkin unboxing. I just got this on Friday. It's the August kit, so I thought I'd take a few minutes and do that. I want to let you know that I also ordered the Gift of Fall add-on envelopes and cards. We'll take a look at that in a minute. We'll just take a second here and open up the box. I've already broken the seal. Oh look, they're telling us what's coming in September. Need a hand with Halloween treat packaging. This could be fun. Let's see, the very first thing we have is Merry Merlot is our ink spot of the month. I don't think I've got that color yet. And then here are our stamps. Thankful for friends like you, happy Thanksgiving, grateful for family like you, and ho ho. Looks like this is going to be a stamp set that's really going to be usable long term. Let's break this baby open. And there inside of our tissue is our kit. We will put this to the side and crack this open. Now we've got to start, we have gold sequins, baker's twine in a Sahara sand, and these are more little sequins, but they look a little smaller than the others. Our ever popular dimensionals. We have 6 treat bags. Those are a nice size. They're probably the size of a card. Ooh, there's an idea. Some more ribbon. This is awfully pretty. Somebody said to open this up, it looks kind of orangey, but when you get it started, it's a much nicer, softer color. Mango Melody, perhaps? Then we have some tags. We have some more elements that we can adhere. Those are so pretty. Those probably can go on tags. These are tags, so there's one for each bag. They've given us plenty of stuff. And these are leaves in Merry Merlot. You can see the indentation there. Some circles. Some Sahara sand looking tags. Nice, a bunch of different sizes, so that's very nice. And then, ooh la la, some vellum. Oh, is this pretty for fall. Look at how nice those berries are. You know, here in Illinois, it's just starting to get that fall feel with everything getting a little bit dry. So these are going to be perfect. Nice fall leaves. Some more leaves in this, looks like a pretty peacock. And then leaves, 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 tons of them. And we've got some glue dots. Now let's look at our cards. Let's get this open. I think there are 24 in this set, so this is really nice. And all the envelopes appear to be the same. Yes, they are. And I know we've got a variety of cards, so this is that wonderful watercolor swoosh look. I think there might only be 2 varieties in here, unless I missed something. But yep, 2 varieties of cards, 12 of each. That's nice, because there's plenty of stuff to make cards in here. So what I started with was the coloring inside the lines, following the directions from Paper Pumpkin, and making the gift bag using the white tag, the wreath cutout, a little tag, some of the sequins, I pulled out some of the vellum berries. Boy, are those pretty. And I think this might be pretty peacock. It almost looks like Tranquil Tide. But anyway, some of the leaves. And then what I did is, well, in each one of these tags, there's a little hole, and I threaded some of the baker's twine through it and made a bow. And then I made a bow with crushed curry. Yes, that is crushed curry and not mango melody. And I used a glue dot to adhere that to the tag. Now, all of this has been adhered with either the glue dots that come in the kit, or you can use snail if you have that. I used dimensionals to pop up the tag, and then I used glue dots once again on the crushed curry ribbon. That is really cute, and if you need a little gift bag, this certainly is adorable. Now, I did purchase, as I had mentioned, the alternative cards and bases that go along with this kit, and a lot of times people don't have any need for gift bags. So this was just a great add-on that Stampin' Up! Came up with, and I did the exact same tag, made it as an exact duplicate, and all I did that was different was I adhered it to the card base that had the very colorful swishes on it. And once again, that was just adhered with either glue dots or snail. I use snail. So that was so pretty, I can hardly wait to send that. My aha card, and the one where I all of a sudden got that idea as soon as I saw the bag, is that I decided that this would look cool on a larger card base. So what I did is, number one, I cut apart the bag. And as you can see, here's the other half of the bag that I have remaining that is going to have to become a card, or what could be really cool since it's got the flaps, is this could be a great gift card holder, if you could only imagine. Yep, I think we're going to have to make a card like that. And I could adhere that, put a tag on here, and slip a gift card in there. Anyway, what I did do is with the remaining side of the bag, I had this cut down to 4 inches by about 5 1/4 inches. So I just put that in my trimmer and cut it down. I adhered the tag in the exact same way as the other two examples, and I did leave the handles on, so I adhered those with glue dots. I just wanted to make that another little interesting element for this card. So my idea, as I was putting this together, was that I would do a bonus round and make a card with you, but I actually want this to be a gift card holder. So I took that extra piece, or the other half of my Whisper White, which was once again 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and scored at 4 1/4 to create my card base, and we're going to use this landscape. I took that other bag and I cut it down even further, and I'm going to secure it so that I've got all my little sides nice and sticky to create something. Here I'm putting some tear and tape down, trying to get this stuff to behave. So anyway, I am going to put that down, and now I have a nice little opening where something can slide in, if you can see. I then took, and here's, you can do anything you want. So I took a card base, one of those that I purchased, and I cut it down so that it would be a little bit smaller. And I put a couple of the leaves and one of those, this is Blackberry Bliss leaf, and I'm going to adhere this onto my card base and center this. Then I would take a tag, which all I did was put enjoy. We're going to put this off to the side so that they get the idea that there is something in there. And then I have just a little knot. I am going to be nice if I cut this down. Put a glue dot. I took some of the baker's twine and kind of wadded it up a little bit. I'm going to put that at the base of those leaves. And all I did then was take some of the crushed curry and make a knot. And I'm going to put a glue dot on the back of that. Put my knot underneath that. And then I can just stick my gift card right in there. So here's the way I completed that last experiment, which turned out pretty cool, I think. All I did was use my business card to slide in as if it were a gift card, and it's not a half bad idea to even be able to flip your business card into a cute idea like this. Then I took one glue dot and secured the handle. Once again, I really like the dimension. If you're mailing this, you may not want the extra postage that this might bring on, and you could snip that off and maybe even just use some baker's twine as the handle if you'd like. But what I did with this card also is I took one of the leaves and I secured it to the inside of my card, and I did the same on the back flap of my envelope. So now we have done 4 projects out of the paper pumpkin kit. The first one is showing how to do the plain vanilla but oh so beautiful gift bag. The second one was making the card with the additional card bases and envelopes that I purchased in addition to the paper pumpkin kit. The third one was my card where I cut apart the bag and used the very same tag to make a cute little card. And the last one was my adventure here, where I created a gift card holder card, which either could have, once again, a gift card, or I've used my business card as the model. So I hope you've enjoyed this. This is Paper Pumpkin for the month of August. If you love the idea of being able to make a variety of cards and projects for very little, for a very small investment, sign up for Paper Pumpkin. You can do that by going to my blog at www.stampinwithmb.com, and you will find a Shop Now section. There are links either to my main Stampin' Up! Online store or a link that goes to my personal Paper Pumpkin store as well. So feel free to sign up now. You have until September 10th to purchase, to get going on the September kit. You can buy 1, you can buy 3, you can buy 6, you can buy a whole year if you like. But why don't you start out with just 1 and have some fun with these great little kits and creativity. Happy stamping, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.